In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to adjust letter spacing in Canva. If you've ever felt like your text looks a little cramped or too airy, letter spacing, sometimes called tracking, can make a huge difference in readability and style. Let's walk through it together, step by step. First, open your web browser and search for Canva. When the results appear, look for the official Canva site and click through. You'll know you're in the right place when you see the familiar Canva dashboard. If you aren't already signed in, go ahead and log in with your usual account. This ensures you can access all your projects and save changes as you go. Once you're in, open the design you want to edit. This could be anything: an Instagram post, a presentation slide, a flyer. The process is the same across templates. With your design on screen, click to select the text box you want to adjust. You should see a bounding box around the text, confirming it's active. If you have multiple text elements, take a moment to pick the exact one you want so you don't change the wrong headline or caption. Now look up to the top toolbar. Find the spacing option. It's typically labeled spacing and sits with other text controls like font, size, and alignment. Click it to open the spacing panel. Inside this panel, you'll see controls for both line spacing and letter spacing. For today, we're focusing on letter spacing. Locate the letter spacing slider. This is the control that adjusts the distance between each character in your selected text. As you move the slider, you'll see a live preview right on your design. Slide to the right to increase the space between letters, which can give headlines a clean, modern look and improve legibility at smaller sizes. Slide to the left to tighten the spacing, which can help dense blocks of text feel more cohesive or make script fonts look more connected. Make small adjustments and watch how your text responds. Uppercase headings often benefit from slightly increased spacing, while decorative or condensed fonts may need just a subtle tweak. Keep an eye on line breaks, because changing letter spacing can shift where words wrap. Aim for consistency across similar elements in your design so your branding feels intentional. When it looks just right, click anywhere outside the panel to continue editing or save your design. That's it. Simple, precise, and instantly impactful. Thanks for watching, and enjoy fine-tuning your typography in Canva.